Welcome to Arensic Insights, where we explore cutting-edge innovations shaping our world. Today, we're diving into a topic central to our global future: AI in agriculture. With the planet's population expected to reach 9 billion by 2050, one critical question arises: how will we sustainably feed everyone? The answer lies in the transformative power of artificial intelligence. Join us as we explore the evolution of AI in agriculture, from its origins as a concept introduced by John McCarthy in 1955 to its current role as a vital tool in addressing agricultural challenges. Advances in machine learning, computer vision, and robotics are helping farmers make data-driven decisions that boost efficiency and sustainability. In an era of rapid population growth, climate change, and the need for sustainable food production, AI offers a beacon of hope. It's revolutionizing traditional farming methods and enhancing global food production. One of AI's most impactful applications in agriculture is precision farming. Imagine farmers using AI-driven techniques to monitor and manage crops at a micro level. With data from sensors, drones, and satellites, they can optimize irrigation, fertilization, and pest control, increasing yields while minimizing waste. AI also excels at crop monitoring and disease detection. Using image recognition and machine learning, AI can analyze visual data to spot pests, diseases, and nutrient deficiencies early on. Drones and satellites provide real-time insights, allowing farmers to act quickly and prevent crop losses. Automation in agriculture is another game-changer. AI-powered autonomous machines, like self-driving tractors and robotic harvesters, are taking over labor-intensive tasks such as planting and harvesting. These machines work with precision, reducing labor costs and increasing productivity. Predictive analytics and decision support systems are transforming how farmers plan and execute their operations. By analyzing data on weather, soil, and market trends, AI helps forecast yields, optimize planting schedules, and guide decision-making. This foresight helps farmers reduce risks and maximize profits. AI's impact isn't limited to the fields. It's also optimizing the entire supply chain, improving distribution, storage, and transportation of produce. By reducing food waste and enhancing traceability, AI ensures fresh, high-quality food reaches consumers efficiently. On the frontier of innovation, AI is accelerating crop breeding. By analyzing genomic data, AI helps develop climate-resilient, high-yield crop varieties that meet the needs of both farmers and consumers. Smart farm management systems, powered by AI, integrate data from various sources to provide real-time monitoring and control of operations. These systems give farmers the insights they need to optimize resource use, reduce risks, and boost productivity. In summary, AI is more than just a tool, it's a partner in building a resilient and sustainable agricultural system. By harnessing AI's power, farmers can tackle global food security challenges, improve efficiency, and embrace climate resilience. As we look to the future, AI holds immense promise for revolutionizing agriculture. But challenges remain, such as adoption, data privacy, and ethical considerations. By working together and committing to responsible AI use, we can unlock its full potential and create a more sustainable food system for future generations. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI in agriculture. Don't forget to subscribe to Arensic Insights for more exciting content about the innovations shaping our world. See you next time.